Clear out this place before I can look around.
You won't get away with that! Stop her!
Kasi ang current ngayon, kung halimbawa na-acquire mo yung game no in a sabihin natin in an illegal way, na-acquire mo yung
patay si Snake. Alunod.
I can glide.
Aming loot.
Safely to the west. We used a mole to get the family out first and succeeded in sneaking Sokolov over the Berlin Wall shortly afterwards. I was the one who conducted the operation.
Charge.
To your head.
Bitch. Is to make the wearers one with the gods as they take appearance of them and perform the ritual dance.
Now we need to discuss kung ano yung shared capitalism. Kasi nandun yung key kung ano yung parang benefit na questionable para sa corporate to do this game preservation. Diba?
One less machine.
Yun yung issue, no? Kumbaga parang yung availability ng mga to is nowhere to be found. And then at the same time, yung pagiging terrible, no, ng
I will drop a recovery balloon. Can you set it up?
meet ng topic natin. So, wala lang, catching up lang tayo, no? Ayan, hello, Manuel, di ba? Na-delete daw kasi sa Shopee Pay kaya hindi naabot. Ano na? Pwede ano na? Wait lang ha, sana all daw Petix. Grabe sir, di nga ako Petix eh. Petix na sa work, no?
Where'd they all go? Better check in that cave.
Iba na kasi ang Easy Allies ngayon eh. Wala na si Bossman. Wala na din si so to? Si Jones, si Brad Jones, no? Iba na yung mga
And it's never good. Sooner or later, someone's gonna have to deal with him.
We gotta talk.
kapag tambay ka, no? Or unemployed ka, no? May mga vices or may possible may mga vices ka, no? Sa ibang bansa, very accommodating sila. Tsaka parang, ano ba tawag dito? Hindi sila ganun kahigpit, sa totoo lang. No? Ako siguro na-try ko na halos karamihan ng mga
Diyan parang naputol yung kamay niya. May susi pa tayo dito. Bukas.
Incredible.
Do you like it?
The feeding ramp is polished to a mirror sheen. The slide's been reinforced, and the interlock with the frame is tightened for added precision.
The cave seems to be structured like a maze, but there's an exit somewhere. Find a way out.
Won't risk it. That said, we can't allow...
I'd need to be on.
Then I wish you luck. The gates will open, and don't worry about your friends.
I appreciate it.
Excellent. A great success.
Hanson, hello. Dexter Cabrillos, PC po gamit nyo. Hindi po sir, PS5 po.
Well, now that that's done, the embassy can finally get underway.
Ng stellar breed, hindi namin pansin. Nung Rebirth mukhang wala eh.
Of hell itself. It's raining blood.
Punta ako Maid Cafe tapos papatawag ako ng sama. Oh, yes! Or gano'n. Di ba? Punta tayo ng Akihabara. Di ba? Magpapaka-weeb talaga ako doon. Pag pumunta ako ng Japan, sa
Fire at will! I don't have a shot!
I had no choice but to cooperate. I didn't want to die. I wanted to see my wife and child again.
Halatang-halata yung platform eh, saka yung save point.
Let me know if...
Wala pa akong nakikitang dal dito ah.
hanap ka ng clout. Oh, anong reveal mo? Ano ba yan? Usapang BioWare ba yan? Oh. 'Di ba after ng Concord, BioWare naman ngayon topic na hindi na natin na-explore pa dito. But yeah, I mean, ito yung parang nakikita kong pwede nilang gawin. No, para magkaroon ng, responsibility.
It's just us now.
Hey! Calm down and fight fair! Lancers! Take the center!
Cut the engine. They'll hear us.
Are you the agent they sent?
Are you Adam? I thought you were supposed to be a man.
Adam couldn't make it.
To get the game. Despite na wala na sa picture tong platform natin, 'di ba? So we can still download the game. Pero that is not the case, 'di ba? Kasi nga ganito.
Yun, kung nakunan ko pa yun, wala rin. Wala na yun nandito.
It's dangerous to be out in the jungle at night without a guide.
What about you?
I have to get back. I can't be gone for too long. They'll start to suspect something.
Base application, Web3 based application. Hindi Bitcoin eh. Ang Bitcoin kasi parang basta iba siya. Ibang ano siya, ibang chain siya talaga eh. No? Kaya nga altcoins ang
Dami ko naipang points dun ah. Oh.
Pero it doesn't mean na parang I hate them. No? I hate the people inside the Digital Foundry. No? So, ayun lang. Kumbaga parang ang kami ng mga kano, true. Grabe sa alipin ng mga kano, no? Siguro ako medyo naintindihan ko din si Lorenzo at some point, no? Kasi nga pareho kami ng para diba? Kaya ako medyo nag-stop na rin ako mag-collect ng game kasi syempre may priorities din akong iba. And at the same time, I realized na parang alam mo 'yun, parang para sa akin
It's like a stampede went through. Is this where the bristlebacks came from? How? Unless this cave leads.
especially Ethereum, no? Ethereum kasi yung parang nagiging base ng lahat ng NFT, no? Fans, no? Ang mas gusto nila is yung boots on the ground. The team, war, rooted in reality, espionage, no? Kaya nga pero minsan din kasi parang nagiging form of propaganda rin yung user review Kaya parang feeling ko, kaya nga ang key dito, no? Kung gusto mo makakita na parang very unbiased na we need to discuss kung ano yung shared capitalism. Kasi nandun yung key kung ano yung parang benefit na questionable para sa corporate to do this game preservation. Diba?
Yield! I yield! Well fought, friend. Well fought.
Easy. What happened?
Explosion in the mine. Water flooded the whole place. Some of
Gutom na si Snake.
Are the Russians going to be helping us?
The KGB has promised to lend us one of their communications satellites so that you and I can talk to each other.
Uy. Ang service.
Na-mint nilang games. So, ina-click of a button, kaya nila ulit mag-resupply ng ganon. No? So, anyway, despite of limited supply siya, timer nating magtagal ng konti. Kasi wala nga tayong waiting screen. Di ba? Paano ka ba gagawin to? Siguro maybe we can share this.
Smashed them good.
Yun.
Lucas.
So ngayon, ito yung tinatry na i-solve ng Web3. 'Di ba? Yan yung tinatry na i-solve ng Web3. So, itong monetary policy na to, no? no? Malapit na yung pagiging makulit niya. Ang tawag dito, legit yun. Alam niyo yung nausong meme? Yung sa bus, tapos nagpapakita ng
Granted.
A tank capable of launching nuclear IRBM.
It can launch nuclear missiles from that kind of terrain.
Oh, yes. And without support from friendly units.
A nuclear-equipped tank.
Now we need to discuss kung ano yung shared capitalism. Kasi nandun yung key kung ano yung parang benefit na questionable para sa corporate to do this game preservation. Diba?
Organs, Magnus Bergen. Ah, okay. Pero anong purpose nga nung...
I think, kailan ba yun? That was 2015 ata yun. Tapos, magkano pang palitan ng HKD nun? Tapos, magkano din yung entrance?
Yes. Kain siya na ahas. Hilaw pa yung kinakain niya. Okay, so mag-new game tayo ng parang hindi naman gumagana yung evade ng hayop na Aray. Ooh. Uy, hindi nakunan. Ano yun? Kupal naman yun. Oo na ba yung dal dito?